Hey y'all, I know y'all are wondering why in the world did we bring y'all along on vacation? Well, we are not actually on vacation. We've got some exciting news to share with y'all. We are actually 5 minutes from our home and we are on some riverfront property.
Overlooking the beautiful Tennessee River. We have purchased a condo. It's not complete. It's had some water damage. Well, it's had a lot of water damage, but it's dry. It's ready. We're starting to renovate it now, but it's completely tore down. We'll take you through it as we go along. We're only, like she said, 5 minutes from the house.
And if you have followed OurGreeneAcres channel throughout the years, or if you're familiar with our channel and with us, y'all know that we purchased a little 6-acre farm a few years ago with a little fixer-upper home. The home is very small, but we have made it work for us. But we had an opportunity to purchase this riverfront condo that's 5 minutes from our home. And it's going to be kind of either we're going to flip it and be like an investment property, or it can be like a little staycation home of a place that we can go very easily around the corner from our home, still take care of our pets, our animals and things at our house, but also come here and enjoy the lifestyle on the water, relax, just have a few more amenities. So we decided we want to start a new channel with content that is going to be related to us fixing this condo up. Because like Ben mentioned,
a lot of fixing up.
A lot of fixing up. So there's going to be a lot of videos about to come here on this new channel, because I'm going to take y'all along from the day that we purchased it. And we purchased it, what, March the 23rd? So pretty much,
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago. So pretty much the day we closed, we got the keys. We pretty much came straight over here and started working on it. Because right now, this condo unit was damaged, like Ben said, with like a little freak water accident. So it has been totally gutted. So we can take it now, put our own spin on it, fix it up, do a lot of DIYs and a lot of budget-friendly projects, and fix it up and make it, you know, the way we want it. And then too, when we get it done, a lot of the stuff will be brand new. So I'm excited, and I want to bring y'all along, and I want to share all this content with y'all. So make sure to subscribe to this new channel, and I'm going to put content out here a lot, because Ben will be over here a lot working. A lot.
So let's take them inside and show them around.
Just want to show y'all what view we have. We are on the second floor. I don't think we mentioned that. This unit that we're in, this building, is 3 levels high. So we're on the second story, but we've got a great view from our balcony. And this over here is where in the evenings you can look out, and it's going to have some spectacular sunsets.
All right, so like you said, this was a complete gut. There was no subfloor in the place. We put subfloor in. We've put 3/4 inch plywood. She's got some footage showing what it looked like before. We'll put that in here. This is the last sheet of plywood we had left. We went through 36 sheets of plywood. We had to carry these up the stairs, to 2 flights of stairs to the second floor. Those were fun days. We didn't do it all at once, but it was fun. But you can see the new subfloor we have in. We put through the entire condo. The master bath, bedroom. This is where the living room is. There's a second bedroom, bath, a utility room, a pantry, and a kitchen. So there's a lot of subfloor, but we're about ready to get started on the walls. This is probably some of the better walls in the whole place that weren't affected. Most of the walls were torn out. You can look up if you can. You can see there's no ceiling in the entire condo. All the sheetrock, the water, the reason that what happened was the sprinkler up on the 3rd floor, there was this main line up in the attic. Something broke from the wind, and I think a piece of sheetrock actually fell on the sprinkler line, busted that sprinkler line. All the water ran down through the 3rd floor, got several condos on the 2nd floor, lots of water damage, so they just had to come in and definitely tear out all the ceilings and the subfloor. So we're just going back with that. If we can get the sheetrock in, then we'll keep moving on from there. But we're going to walk around now and show you some of the other rooms.
Okay, Y'all may not can tell right now, but y'all got to use your imagination with me. But this is the master bedroom. And of course, some of the things from the previous state of the condo has been salvaged. The things that they could salvage, like the appliances, ceiling fans, light fixtures, sinks, countertops, things like that, we have. And we have all the appliances. So basically what we got to do is go in, kind of put it back together, and we have some things that we can add to it. We will have to go out, do some shopping or some DIYs to get some other things that we're going to need. But this is basically the master bedroom. It's got a double door here, and it's got the 3 windows here where you can look out at the water. So far, we have got the subfloor in here. Like Ben said, the subfloor is throughout the condo now, and he is starting now to do the insulation. So he is about finished with this room. He still has a few areas that we've got to add insulation to. And then the next step is we will have the sheetrockers come in, and we're going to hire sheetrockers to come in, sheetrock the ceiling and the walls that we need to sheetrock. So we're going to take y'all along, show y'all the rest of it, but this is our master bedroom.
Okay, this is the secondary bathroom. The reason I came here next was because this is the only functioning light in the entire condo. It's the only light that's still up. I've got the insulation done in here, the subfloor like everywhere else. You can go over here, and this is the other bedroom. Yeah, we don't have, like I said, don't have any lights anywhere, so it's running a lot of point probably. We're going to get video of each room, but not a lot to show because it's going to be so dark. We got some of our washer and dryers off in here. We'll just move around and just get you a little footage. We're going to show you the kitchen, ladies.
Okay, y'all, I'm standing in the kitchen. So imagine, we have got, and I'm going to get Ben to pan y'all around. Over here, we have granite countertop. Now, the granite countertop has been salvaged, so we're probably going to use it because that is probably an expensive, that's some expensive countertops for the bathroom and the kitchen. So we'll probably put the kitchen back together to fit that granite countertop.
If possible.
If possible. But the granite, the way it was originally, the granite countertop came out like this, and it had a bar, and then it had the sink in it, and then it had the dishwasher. And then as you panned around, you had a countertop with cabinets all the way around. The refrigerator will go here, and the stove goes here. So that's kind of the placement of the kitchen of how the appliances will be. And something that we do not have in our current home because it's so small is a table, an eating table. So I'm excited that this condo area has like a dining room area out here where we can have a dining room table with chairs, plus we'll have a bar area where we can put bar stools. So I'm so excited about that. Okay, here I am now, y'all. Imagine this. Now I'm in our family room where the refrigerator is right now. Hopefully one day I will have a sofa.
There's a hot water heater behind you, too.
There's a hot water heater behind us.
And a dishwasher.
Hey, at least we have salvaged appliances. But right here will be our sofa. We'll put the sofa on this wall, and I think the TV goes on this wall because of the cable outlet. We do have cable and internet here included with this condo unit, so I think the TV will go here, sofa will go there. So anyway, this is our like little living room, family room area, and it's opened up all the way from the kitchen, dining room, all this is an open area. So I'm so happy about the open concept.
Hey guys, I guess you can see, I'm in the shower and the pantry. Minus a few walls. We're going to put a bathtub, will be over here. Y'all probably can't see in here because I can barely see the camera in here. But look at that, we're adding some insulation. I'll just hope to get that in here in a few more days and hopefully get the sheetrockers here. Once we get the sheetrock in and we can have ceilings and everything, it'll be a big plus, and then I won't be able to stand in my shower and my pantry at the same time. But it does have a large master bath, the vanity, the twin sinks will be here. But we're looking forward to it. It's come a long way, believe it or not. The subfloors were huge.
This area right here is our front door, and we actually have a really large little foyer area. So I'm excited about that. I'm planning on getting a foyer table and we're going to decorate it. So like I told y'all, we're going to just, from the bare bones, we're going to remodel this little condo, and then y'all are going to see it all the way through until we get to the styling it and adding the home decor, curtains, everything. And we're just going to go from start to finish and just take y'all along and just let y'all enjoy the journey with us. Like we mentioned in the introduction of the video, soon as we got the keys to this place, we came over here that day and we started to work. First thing, Ben needed to go around where they had took the subfloor up. That was damaged and they had sawed it. He needs to go around now and make all of those even. So when he puts our subfloor down, it will be easier to install. And as you can see, we have no ceilings. But he did get started on the subfloor. The subfloor, like he told y'all, the most difficult part was getting these boards up to the second level. They do have an elevator, but these boards would not fit in the elevator, so he and I took about half of them up the stairs by ourselves, and then my sweet son-in-law came over and did the other half with Ben. Now he's got the subfloor done in the master, and it already looks better to me. Now we're going to start now in the kitchen area in the family room, and we're going to add subfloor in here. Now this room went the fastest because it is the most open, so we've got more of an open area. So as you can see, he's going to town on the subfloor in here. As we worked our way throughout the condo, after about a week and a half, we got it finished. Now it's time to install some insulation. Now, insulation that we just bought some rolls at Lowe's, and the insulation went really fast. One day, Ben went over by himself because I was working and had other things to do, so I don't think it went as quick, but the next day I went back with him to finish it up, and it went really fast. So we just basically measured out what these walls were, and we just cut those long strips and applied those wherever we needed to, and then we went in and just filled in pieces of insulation in some of the smaller areas and just cut them down to size. Now, as you can see, we've got, we've already got electrical and wiring, so we're just going to go around and insulate the areas that we need to. And Ben just uses his stapler because he loves to go in and make sure everything is secure and tight and is done, right. So, like I say, this process right here was probably my favorite so far because it went really fast. It already feels cozier in here.
You're sure? You don't want this mirror?
No.
You're real sure?
Yeah, it covers a whole wall. I don't need that much mirror.
Okay.
I have a different idea what we're going to do in the bathroom.
Y'all probably have some suggestions. Leave me some comments. Sorry, I got insulation in my throat, but I'm going to try to break this selectively with a hammer. You could probably score it. There's probably a tail to this, but I don't know. Here goes. Maybe not.
Okay, y'all. I hope y'all are as excited as we are with our big announcement. We're excited about this new channel, and we're also excited to bring y'all along on this journey with remodeling our waterfront condo. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot of content coming your way. As always, I love y'all, thank y'all, and I'll see you soon.